All right, mates, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's had a great week trading the TikTok, YouTube, post CPI FOMO going on in Ethereum and the Ethereum merge FOMO and the Bitcoin FOMO and all that stuff. Hope everybody's been using those long entries as good as possible. We are going to talk about Ethereum right now. I'm going to tell you what. Here's a question that was posed to me in one of the groups is Ethereum Classic actually a better investment or a better trade than Ethereum? Why, yes, mate, it is. Okay. The answer is yes. And let me show you why. And maybe there's 1% of us on YouTube that are actually talking about this. Okay. But that's okay because this is what happens. And this is where the money is. And this is where the money goes is you make more money going where everybody else doesn't go and seeing the things that everybody else doesn't see until it's too late. And you've already made your money and then they're coming and chasing. And that's what they're doing right now. Ethereum is over $1,900. Okay. And even at that rate, 32% of the people that hold Ethereum today are still out of the money. What does that tell you? That tells you the third of all holders of an Ethereum token bought above $1,900 at some point. Some people bought at $4,000. Okay? Like, just saying. All right? When you chase and you don't fundamentally have a strategy and a plan, I don't need to trade Ethereum or Bitcoin on leverage, ever. I don't need to because I can trade other assets. I just did a video on Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Silver, Litecoin. I don't ever need to trade Bitcoin on leverage. I can use Bitcoin and profit more. Go back and watch that video and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Ethereum is up 75% in 30 days. 75%, 30 days to 1,900, which is that's a great return, right? Just on spot, 75%. It's a great return. What if I told you Ethereum Classic is up 200%? In the same time frame? What's the better investment? Like, we're not talking, or trade, sorry. We're not talking about investing in a project long term. We're talking about trade. What's the better trade? 75% in 30 days, 200%. Okay? This trade cost you $1,800. This trade cost you $30 to buy one token. Okay? Think about that. How many tokens could you buy with $1,800 if the asset is $30 that you could put into a trade instead of just buying one token of Ethereum at $1,800 to play this rise from $1,800 to or actually $1,700 to $1,900, 200 basis point rise in basically 3 weeks? Okay. You'd just be able to play one token, right? On a leverage trade, you'd only be able to play 1.0 Ethereum. Well, what about Ethereum Classic? Far more, remember? At $30, that's almost three for every $100 that you would put in that $1,700 Ethereum trade, right? So you've added more capital, you've got a larger position, and look at the correlation here, mates. This right here is Ethereum Classic. It does everything that Ethereum does. Look at that. Big spike. Remember this last couple days? Boom, blowing it up, right? So it's moving, okay, at a relatively, if you want to look at math and physics, just on the chart, the same manner of ascent and descent, okay? When Ethereum does, Ethereum Classic follows, okay? Usually it's an hour or so or whatever, 2 hours or whatever, but that's just how it works, okay? So you use what's happening in Ethereum to your advantage to put more capital into an asset. Same as we did with Bitcoin Cash with Bitcoin, okay? Because you're playing on the behavior. You're not buying price. It doesn't matter what the price is, okay? It matters that you're following the behavior of the market, okay, and the directional trade of the market. Everyone's into Ethereum right now, right? So everyone's going to bid up Ethereum until the bottom falls out, somewhere around 1,900 to 2,000. We're going to reach an RSI level of about 80, 83, and then we're going to enter in our sell down trades, and we're going to plop that thing all the way back down to 1,800 to 1,700. That's how the market works. So you need to pay attention to that so you know to be on the right side of that trade, sell down, when you see Ethereum go red, okay, and the selling starts, because then you want to sell Ethereum Classic down as well, or only Ethereum Classic, because it's going to go down too, because that is